Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This one's Bon Jovi's Bed of Roses guitar solo. Alright, let's just get started. Go to the A string, 5-3-5. And then 3-5 on the D string. Bend on the D string on the 5th fret with an artificial harmonic. And then go 3-5 on the D, and then to 3 on the A. Hammer on to the A on the 5th string, to A on the E string. So go to the 13th fret, bend, release it, pull it off to the 10, bend twice. And then open G, then a whole step bend on the 13th fret on the high E, and then release it. Little bend after that on the 13th fret on the high E, pull off to the 10, and then pull off to the 10 on the B string, to the 12 on the G. If you're getting value out of this lesson, make sure to like and subscribe. Then it goes to the 10th fret on the B and E string, does that twice. And then bends on the 13th fret on the B string with vibrato. So let's slide up to the 13th on the B string, then 13 on the E, and then 2 times on the B. Then after that, it goes to the 15th fret, whole step. Release it, onto the 11th. Then he does a 1.5 step bend on the high E. Then hammer on to the 15th on the high E. To the 13th on the B string. And hammer on to the 15th fret on the B string. Then hammer on to the 14th on the G string. Then what he does, he goes to the 10th fret with a rake. Just barely touch the strings with your finger. On the 10th fret on the B and E. Then a 1/2 step bend on the 12 on the high E. Release it. The pick. Back up. Other tutorials I have that you can check out are AC/DC, Guns N' Roses, White Lion. I'll leave them up here if you want to check them out. And I will see you in the next video.